kitchen. It's plenty of space for me. Tim doesn't cook, so he stays out of the kitchen and I have a pretty easy time navigating. We have a full gas stove, 4 burners. We've got the air fryer, which is my favorite thing right now. We've been air frying everything. If you don't have one yet, it's awesome and you should definitely check it out. We have a big farm sink. It's nice and deep, so yeah, it's a lot of space to work with, which is really nice. We do have smaller pantry space just because we don't have a lot of storage in the kitchen, but it's really not a big deal. You can see that we've used the windowsills for storage too, so we really use every square inch of our kitchen. And then these cabinets make up some storage as well. Our fridge is an apartment size fridge, I think 10.3 cubic feet or something like that, maybe 8. I'm not sure, but it's plenty of room for us. We have all that we need in this fridge. One cool feature that we have is another butcher block piece that fits right over the stove and over the sink, which is really nice. So it's some extra working space if I ever need it, and it lives right up here above the fridge, which is really nice. Next is a living room. So this is our leaflet table. So you'll see that there's an ottoman here, and it's a perfect size seat for the table, so you can sit here. Sometimes we have meals. Sometimes Tim will work at this table since he's working from home right now. But what's nice about this table is that when we're done, it actually folds down and out of the way, and that really opens this space up, as you can see. Now this ottoman has legs that fold down, so you'll see the other ones already under the couch. That's where they fit when we're not using them, which is really nice because it really does open this space up, and I do yoga in the mornings, and it's just nice to have some more house that we can use. So these are dual purpose ottomans, and they're awesome. The bookshelf is probably my favorite part of the house just because it's built-in storage and it's really cute. And then the bottom 2 drawers are my clothes, and then the top drawers are multi-purpose drawer. And then obviously we use the shelves for storage. The stairs on the opposite side, that's Tim's closet. So the bottom 3 drawers pull out, and they go pretty far back into the stairs. So again, multi-purpose here. This is Oliver's bathroom. So this is his little scratch pad where he comes out and he scratches and sharpens his nails. And then there's the cat door here where he can come in and out. And then his litter is actually behind this little door right here. So this was a custom touch that we added. Our house was mostly done, and we were kind of worried about where we were going to put Oliver's bathroom. So this was a really clever solution that our builder did for us. So under his litter, there's also the hot water heater, which is under here. And then this space above, you'll see when we go into the bathroom, is utilized as well. Next, we've got the bathroom. It's a pretty good sized bathroom. It's like, you know, we've got 2 rooms in our home, and this is the second one. So lots of stained glass in here as well. You saw in the door, in the pocket door, there was some stained glass. We have a big wood tub. So this tub is actually made out of an old telephone pole. It was cut into blocks and stacked, and then there's a polyurethane coat on top of it, and it was nice to have the option to have a tub in a tiny home because that's something that most people who live tiny sacrifice, and we didn't have to, so we're very lucky. And it's a pretty cool custom tub. Then we've got our toilet, of course. It's a flushing toilet. The home did come with a composting toilet, but that was quickly taken care of, and yeah, now we've got a flush toilet, which is really nice. So as I said, the cubby behind the sink up here, that's where all of our toiletries live, and that's in this compartment above the cat litter door. So this space is utilized as well, which is nice. Okay, next is the bedroom. This is a queen size bed. We have a little space on either side of it, like there's probably a foot over here, maybe 6 inches over there. And it's nice because Tim and I are both, fairly small people, so we can sit up in bed and it's no big deal. You'll notice we have a bunch of room up here in the front, so we use that to store stuff as well. And then all these cabinets in the headboard. So lots of cabinet space up here. When we moved into this house, we actually found that we had more room than we needed because all these cabinets were empty when we first moved in, which is nice. And then underneath these cabinets, there's like a cubby hole. Oliver likes to hide in there. We've got our phone chargers in there, that kind of stuff. So this is the guest room. This is a second loft above the kitchen. It's a twin-size bed. It has this nice little railing here. So right now we're just using it to store our camping stuff. We've got our snorkels and yoga mats and all that stuff up here. So we're just using it for storage, but we have had people stay the night and sleep over here, and it worked pretty well. No complaints from us. So it's nice to have a guest room. So we have a mini split AC and heating unit. The brand is LG. It works really, really well, and what's nice is that it's a small unit. So this handles all of the heating and the cooling in our home, and the other half of the unit is on the back of the house. It's pretty similar in size. And what's nice about this is that it's very high efficiency, so it uses very little energy, and because our home is so well insulated, it traps all of the cool air. So in the summer, I'm going to say we pay like $30 a month. $30 a month for electricity, even while running this thing all the time. So it's really, really efficient, and it does a great job. So we forgot to mention this, but this is the washer dryer. So it's 2-in-1. We get a lot of questions about this because people aren't sure about both washing and drying in one machine, but it works really well. Washes like normal, and then it goes right into the dry cycle, and it uses steam to dry. So it does take a little bit longer than a traditional wash and dry, but the clothes are clean and dry, and that's really all we can ask for.